Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how to make healthy hormone breakfast. I have 3 tips to share with you today. And those 3 tips you can apply to every meal. And those tips will help you feel fuller and energized longer. Make your day more productive, great for balancing hormone, supporting gut, and managing weight. The first tip, choose carbohydrate with high fiber content. This is the egg toast I made. So I used organic whole rye bread, and this one tiny slice of bread contains 6 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein. So choose something like this instead of white bread. You can have oatmeal, a bread made with whole grain. And fiber is one of key ingredients that help you keep full longer because it helps stabilize your blood sugar. It also supports your gut health because fiber you can digest, your bacteria in your gut will digest and use as an energy source. Tip 2. Add some protein and healthy fat. So I have egg here today. Egg is a great source of protein and healthy fat. Behind this egg, I'm hiding this postbiotic bean paste. This is made of chickpea, koso, and miso. Bean is great source of fiber and protein. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fat is a key to balance your blood sugar. You will feel full longer. You will feel energized longer when you eat carbohydrate with fiber, protein, and healthy fat. Tip 3. Add fermented food. Gut bacteria in your gut decide how much hormone you need. They also produce chemicals similar to hormone. They act like hormone in our body. If you want to balance your hormone, you need healthy gut. So don't forget fermented food such as koso and miso that I added to this bean paste today. Your gut bacteria also control your appetite. You don't feel full after a meal or you often have sugar craving. Try adding some fermented food to every meal. With koso, it's very easy to add probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics to your diet. You just add koso to your water, and when you're thirsty, you drink it, and you get some healthy gut nutrient. Those tips are very easy. You can apply to every meal, every day. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. See you again soon.